we have our class set up now. We have some sub pages up there, and we've created a content box with the information we want students to have. But now we have to go and get the students. And so we're going to enroll students into our Haiku class. And it's a very simple procedure. It's a few steps, but it's pretty easy. And our school has set up in a very handy way so that Haiku and Skyward work together so that every time you get a class in your name, it shows up to Haiku, and every time that class gets a new student, they sync, so that students are always getting put in. So we're going to go to that little Manage Class gear and go down to Edit Roster, and that Manage Class gear is where all of your information for the big things are going to be. So if you teach this class more than 1 hour, so maybe you teach your English class first, second, and sixth hour, you're going to hit Create Sections because you want to have different sections for your students. So Section A, I'm going to call First Hour. And then Section B, I'm going to call Second Hour. Just so I can identify those, I know I can match the students, I know I can, maybe first hour is on something that second hour is not. It just makes it easier for the teacher. So once we go to first hour, we're going to hit Import Students. And you're going to click Import from another roster. That brings up those Skyward rosters that you need. So Import from another roster. Now, I would click only My Classes because all of the classes in Skyward are going to show up. You can be as specific as to search the class name, but you know how Skyward has those numbers on the end of your classes. You might not find your class when you search its name because it might be under a different code. If it's a semester-long class, the numbers may be different than what you know them to be. And so you can just hit only My Class, and then all the classes you teach are going to show up. So since I co-teach, I have a lot of classes with my co-teacher Kayla. I have some classes with some other people I work with, Jeff and Denise, and so I even have a page 2 of other classes that I teach as well. So I'm going to go back to page 1 and find that technology class that I've been working with. Right there, tech training, and I'm going to hit import so that that roster imports. Now, linking is that whenever the roster is updated in Skyward, it's also going to update for you. So I would definitely click that link box. Once you click that link box, go down and hit continue. And then your student should show up and you're going to hit import students. So now those students are enrolled in that class. They can see everything you can see. And you can go the same exact steps to enroll your second hour students, your third hour students, your fourth hour students. Whenever you may have this class, you can go and find those students the exact same way.